Wait, have you ever wondered how makeup artists keep their clients looking flawless from morning till night? It's all about techniques and tricks. Let's unveil together some insider secrets to achieving lasting makeup that withstand the test of time. Let's jump into it. For anything, ensure your skin is clean, moisturized, and primed. Starting off with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, then follow up with hydrating moisturizer and a primer tailored to your skin type. When opting for lasting makeup, layering is key. Instead of applying a thick layer of product all at once, build the layers gradually. Start with a lightweight foundation, spot conceal under the eyes, then set everything in place with translucent powder. Look for keywords like long-lasting, smudge-proof, and water-resistant when shopping for foundation, eyeliner, mascara, and lipsticks. These formulas are designed to withstand heat, humidity, and sweat. Clean your makeup 24 hours without smudging. Lock everything in place with a setting spray. Particularly for me, I set my T-zones sort of prolong it. Hold the setting spray inches away from the mist. Touch up your makeup strategically to maintain a fresh appearance. I mean strategically, I mean using few key products such as bloating papers to absorb oil, a compact powder on the go touch up. Areas such as the T-zones, under the eye, and lips should be your focus points because they tend to fade or crease. Prep and layering. Investing long wear formulas. Say goodbye to night now. Drop a comment and like. See you on my next one. Bye.